Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be starting the question, diving deep into the integration. Evaluate formula for in is equal to sin nx dx and hence find sin 4x sin to the power 4x dx. So, firstly, we need to write integration. Let integration in is equal to sin nx into 1 dx. Why we need to write 1 dx is we need to write here sin x by sin x to solve it further. So we use here, we write here, we multiply here with 1 and then we write sine by sine. After writing sine by sine, we take this sine uh, we take this sign multiplying with this sign and it becomes n minus 1 as this sign becomes minus 1 to the power minus 1, so it becomes n minus 1 and this sign is as it is like that. And we use here the formula of u into v, integral u into v, where we write u integration of v minus uh, u dash integration of v. So this is how we write here u integration of v, as I said here, minus integration differentiation of u and again integration of v. So now this is how we write here as it is, and we write here the integration of sin x as I have written in the previous video. I showed you the formulas. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, and then minus is as it is. A differentiation of sin n minus 1 x dx is written as the written in the form of x n minus 1 sin n minus 1 minus 1, as we write here x to the power n is written as nx nx n minus 1. So as we have written here, and after that sine differentiation of sine is cos, and we write here cos, and now integration of sine is written as minus cos x. After that we write here minus cos x here, and sin x is written as here, plus the sign is changing because this minus comes outside, so it becomes plus. N minus 1 is taken here outside, and this cos is multiplied and it becomes cos square x, as it is. Minus 1 and minus 1 become n minus 2, and I have forgot to write x. So sin x, sin to the power n minus 2 by n minus 2 x, where cos square x dx. Now this cos square needs to be converted in again sine. So we need to use here the formula of integration, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, where cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Now we write here minus cos x into again sine, as it is same. This cos can be written in the form of 1 minus sin square x. After writing this, again we need to solve this part only, as this part sine is multiplied with 1, and again sine is multiplied with sine, and it becomes n minus 2 plus 2, where plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled and we get the value of n. So we write here as it is n on that side, and this this n minus 1, it becomes it is given to this sign and that sign as well. So as it is, we have written integral for this side and integral for this side, and n minus 1 for this one and this one. Now after that we need to again simplify it. Before simplifying it, we got here the formula as in is equal to integration of sin n x, where this value can be written in the form of I n minus 2, as n minus 2 can be written in the form, this is written in the form of in is equal to integration sin nx, where n is written here as n minus 2. So again we write here as I n minus 2, as this sign is as it is a sin x. So this sign is written as in, and n minus 1 is written here, and n minus 1 is written here for this one. After that, we need to again simplify it. This part is taken here on this side, and it is minus, and here it becomes plus. As it is same, we need to write here. After writing here, we need to solve this as in plus 1 plus n minus 1. This n minus 1 and 1 gets cancelled, and we get here in into n, where n gets in the denominator side, and after that we need. Can be written in the form of taking 1 by n as common for this side and this side as well. So n by 2 by n, in by 2, in minus 2. Now we can write here sin⁴x is equal to I4, where this I4 is written as replacing n with 4. So I4 is equal to 1 by 4, substituting here 1 by 4, sine minus sine 4 minus 1 is 3, x cos x plus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, and 3 4 minus 2, it's I2. So replacing substituting again I2 here. So 1 by 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, again 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So we get I0 here. So again we got here I0, then again we need to multiply this I4, 3 by 4 inside the brackets. So I have multiplied inside the bracket as well as I0. Substituting I0, we get 1 by 0, everything gets 0. So a to the power 0 in exponents and powers, we know that as 0 is 1. So integration of 1 dx is x. So we got the final value as this. So this was the end of the question, and we got the value of sine integration of sin⁴x dx. So this was all. If you have any doubt, do comment, and regarding any topic, I'll be helping you out. So thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.